Very good morning to all of you. In my previous class, I started chapter 3 History Sultans of Delhi. Earlier, we discussed about the first dynasty of Delhi Sultanate, that was Slave Dynasty, and about their rulers. Today, I am going to explain you all the second dynasty of Delhi Sultanate, and it was Khilji dynasty from 1290 to 1320. The first ruler was Jalaluddin Firoz Khilji, also known as Jalaluddin or Alauddin Khilji. The first ruler of the dynasty was Jalaluddin. He was not a strong leader. He adopted a lenient policy towards the Mongols, and he was succeeded by his son Alauddin Khilji. That means the second ruler of Khilji dynasty was Alauddin Khilji. Alauddin Khilji was a very ambitious ruler. He wanted to conquer the whole of India. To achieve his aim, he quickly won over the nobles and soldiers by distributing gold from the treasury. He imposed many restrictions on the nobles. Nobles were not allowed to meet any festivities without his permission, and also his spies were active everywhere. Now let's discuss about expansion of the empire of Alauddin Khilji. As we already discussed that Alauddin was a very ambitious ruler and he wanted to conquer the whole of the India. So his expansion of empire was, the first step in this direction was the conquest of Gujarat and Malwa. He tried to establish his control over Rajasthan by capturing the forts of Ranthambore and Chittor. After the capture of Chittorgarh, it is said that Rani Padmini with all other Rajput women of kingdom committed Jauhar. Alauddin heard of this and ordered a slaughter of his enemies. Like Amir Khusru, the court poet who accompanied him on his expedition, record that 30,000 Rajputs died on that single day. So, as a brilliant general, he conquered territories in a quick succession. He launched so many campaigns in the Deccan led by Malik Kafur, and Malik Kafur was the first Delhi Sultan Alauddin Khilji was the first Delhi Sultan whose army crossed the Vindhya mountain. Malik Kafur defeated the Yadavas of Devagiri and Kakatiyas of Warangal. He then set forth in AD 1310 to attack the Hoysalas of Dwara Samudra and the Pandyas of Mebar. So this was the strategy of expansion of the empire of Alauddin Khilji. In my next class, I will teach you all about the next dynasty of Delhi Sultanate. And also we will discuss about the economic measures of Alauddin Khilji. It was very, very important to know about the economic measures of Alauddin Khilji. So, thank you.